Hi, hello guys, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to chapter 3 for SMG 453. This is for proposed solution. In this chapter, you are going to know what are the elements or what are the things that should be required in a proposal. This is very important because in this chapter, you'll know what sections that should be put in your proposal, which will help you in doing your assignment on the proposal development, right? So let's begin. So this is the learning objective. So at the end of this chapter, you should be able to know how to build a good relationship with your customers or your partners, how to propose marketing strategies and whether to decide bid or not to bid, the development of a winning proposal, the proposal, you should know how to prepare a proposal, and then what are the elements should be included in it, and then the pricing considerations, evaluations of a proposal, types of contract between the customers and the contractor, and measuring success of proposal efforts. Okay, now, very important things that you need to know is that whenever you're creating a project or you want to implement or develop a project, you need to build a very good relationship with your customers or your partners. Okay, so how are you going to do so? You need to be proactive and engaged. You need to be a very good listener. You need to become a good learner as well. Okay, being proactive means that you're one step ahead. You can solve the problem and you're engaged to the problem. When you're engaged to the problem, it shows that you are responsible for that problem. Okay, be a good listener. Listen and understand. Don't just listen, but you need to listen and understand. Okay, make a frequent contact with your clients because by that they know that you're really serious in getting the project. And the focus or not should be only on the contract opportunities alone, but maybe you can ask them either they have any other problems, questions, or suggestions that they want to put in. It shows that you're really concerned about their ideas, and this is very important because it will create and develop trust. Trust is the key to a good relationship between your customers and your partners. Okay, not only that, ethical behavior, the way you react and the way you are behaving with your customers or your partners also will develop trust. So this is all very important if you want to create a good relationship with your customers and your partners. Okay, so you have to keep in mind that you have to control your emotions. Be very diplomatic, not an argumentative. Okay, meaning that if not you don't agree with his or her idea, don't judge, don't bash. Be very diplomatic. Suggest another ideas that is might be good for both of you. Okay, maintain a positive and can-do attitude in dealings. Build credibility based on performance and always put the client first. Okay, whatever it is their needs, their problem, their opportunity. They just want you to run the project for them. So please uh, bear in mind that their ideas or their um, problems or their concern is very important. So put your client first. Okay. Pre-RFP and proposal marketing. So how can you create a winning proposal? You shouldn't just wait for the formal RFP to come out, because when you already know what their needs and what their problems are, you can always draft out a good proposals and you can already think about how to solve the problems that arise. Okay. So next, develop relationship with potential clients or potential customer, and then maintain a frequent contact. Okay. Be familiar with the customer needs and consider this marketing or business development to no cost to the customer because you're creating a proposal on your own. Okay, prepare for uncalled for spontaneous proposal. So these efforts can be crucial to foundation of winning because the customer might feel that you are really into this and you are really serious about this and you are committed to it. So this will make your chance of winning higher. Okay, so in order to know whether you are going to bid or not to bid for the project, there are a few factors that should be considered. One is the competition. You should know with whom you are competing with. What are the risks that you are facing with? What is your mission actually? Are you gaining for a number of winning project, or are you focusing on the profit? So you need to know what is your mission. Extension of capabilities, what kind of specialties or capabilities that you have that might be benefits to the project. So you need to know this. Reputation, what is your reputation compared to the other contractors? How about the customer funds? Is it good, or is it going to bring loss to you? So you need to know this. Proposal resources, do you have enough resources to do your proposal? And project resources, do you have enough resources to complete the project? You need to identify this. By considering all these factors, then only you can make a decision whether you are going to bid or not to bid the project. Okay.